Hi guys, how to share a folder in local network. First of all, open your start menu, type Control to open the control panel. Access network and internet, network and sharing Sentry. Change advanced chatting settings in the side panel. Then enable these two options, network discovery, file and printer sharing, and expand this menu here, all networks. I prefer turn off password protecting sharing. I prefer this way. Now we go to the folder that we want to share. Let's create a folder here. Can be any folder. I will click right mouse button, properties, go to sharing, click share button. You go in this arrow down button, and everyone, and click add. With everyone selected, you can switch between only read. That way, any computer in this network, local network, can only read these files inside this folder, or read and write. If any computer in this local network can also write files in this folder. Okay, I prefer make this only read because I always only need to access this file, not writing in it. Then I click share button, and this is the entire address I going to type in the Explorer to find this machine. Before we continue, we have to do one more thing. Here in this button, Advanced Sharing, we have to enable share this folder and apply. Okay. Now this folder is already available in local network. If we type 2 backslashes and the name of our computer, in my case this name is Win11, and enter. Now we can see our shared folders in this. If you want to change the name of our machine for we make easy to access this machine on our local network, we can go to start menu, settings. Here in system, we go to scroll down to the about section, click in about, on about. Here we have this option, Win11 is our current machine name. We can rename to any name we want to make it easier to remember and type on our Explorer on another computer. Okay? If you have any error or your Windows keep asking password even though you're disabled this, you can use your PowerShell here in Start menu. Open your PowerShell with administrator privilege with your right mouse click. Yes, I will let in the description the full command line. I will paste here. Just type this command and enter. Then type letter A and enter again to confirm. Then use the second command, enter, A again, enter. You're going to test again and hope this help to fix any problem with your shared folder. So that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Till next video.